Alright, so if you've ever been crafty and you wanted to customize your Switch, then you may be like me and maybe made a little mistake there. So you kind of ruined the back of the Switch there with this mod. So we're gonna fix that mistake with a new backplate today. It should be like 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, one on each side. We'll grab this one. Little tri screwdriver, and this is neat because this actually came with the backplate. Aaron seems to want to strip with this screwdriver, so we're gonna ditch that little guy that came with it. And find a little try. We're gonna have to cut some of this out because this makes it seem like I don't know how to open stuff up. The one that ended up being right is the Y0. So now we switch over to the Phillips 0. And we're just gonna go to the side here. Alright, so that one looks like it's gonna be a smaller one actually than even this. So we're gonna go to the 00. Bam! Cha! So in the video I watched, it said be very gentle with these ones when putting them back in because you could break it. So we're just gonna be very gentle with this whole thing and hope that we don't break it. I'm sure that it's the editor's fault if it's gonna be broken. Damn, I feel roasted. Okay, there we go. Now the top one. Where to take out? Oh, I did not take out the memory card. Hey, make sure to take out the memory card. Yeah. So, well, we did that now. Is there a game cartridge in there? No. Make sure to take that out if you have one in there. Alright, so now we're going to go to the other side. And... oh!
Yeah, I was going to say, did you remove
forgot.
the screw behind the kickstand?
I forgot about that one. Hey! Look at that! What we gotta do with this one to make sure that it works is install a little clip here for the kickstand. We got a little game cartridge holder here. Oh! I don't remember. It was a while ago since I saw the video. So my memory doesn't really remember what happened.
Yeah, it's been a whole 20 minutes.
It was like an hour, okay?
I'm sorry.
I watched it about an hour ago. It was before lunch, you know? Might as well have been an hour ago. I need tweezers because my fingers ain't small enough to seat it in the right place. Boop. So that's the back plate almost done. And if you notice on this one, it's got some little screen things. Cool thing is, this one came with little cool screen things. Alright. Come here, little sponge. Come on, little sponge. I'm gonna put you down there. Little sponge. Yes, little sponge. Alright, so we got the little spongy things, we got the little screen things, we got a kickstand, we got the game charger. We don't have any heat damage.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we'll do is we will start with the one under the kickstand. Come on, little sausages, you can do this. Just be gentle with it, just gentle with it, gentle. Alright, we're just gonna say that we did that in a semi-safe way. Next little one, same kind of deal. Make sure that we don't strip anything, just nice and gentle. Okay, so, oh no! That's just instant karma. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So the next part is we're gonna take it all off again and possibly cut out some of this aluminum so you can see like the motherboard and stuff. But for today, I'm happy with that. So we'll just... And does it turn on? Yay! It turns on. Probably have to cancel out that logo because, you know, don't want to get in trouble. But yeah, so that's a successful mod, removing this kind of damage.